New for 2025, the InstaCOOL 3Sixty cooler helps prevent camera overheating on the Insta360 ACE Pro and the ACE Pro 2. Without a cooling fan, camera overheating occurs within 15 to 30 minutes. All action cameras are susceptible to this problem in a stationary setting with little to no airflow. With a cooling fan, our testing results are excellent and provide the flexibility to use the camera with a display screen, closed or open. We've achieved over 4 hours recording at 4K, 30 frames per second in direct sunlight with a temperature of 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Operating indoors at 8K at 30 frames per second, the recording was successful for 20 hours with the cooling fan running at 2,400 RPM. This setting provides enough airflow while managing the air and fan noise to an acceptable level in a studio.
Actual outcomes may differ. Variables like camera state, battery health, and unexpected circumstances can affect recording durations. The cooler is designed to be used with the Insta360 ACE Pro or ACE Pro 2. It arrives with the major parts assembled, but you will need to attach the turnbuckles matching the camera version to be used. Loosely secure the top and left turnbuckles. They are identical and work for both cameras. When using the ACE Pro, select the thick turnbuckle with the small raised area pointed down. For the ACE Pro 2, select the tall turnbuckle. The camera's windscreen must be used to ensure proper indexing of the buckle. Gently slide the desired camera into the cooler. Once fully seated, secure the turnbuckles. Three cold shoe mounts are provided for lightweight accessories. Safety bump outs around the mode selectors reduce the risk of an inadvertent button push during setup or while in the camera bag. To utilize the cooler with the camera screen open, you will first need to remove the cooler access door. The cooler is shipped with the camera screen access door secured in place. Unscrew the 2 bolts with the hex wrench provided and gently remove the access door and set aside for safekeeping. Don't worry if you lose the bolts or hex wrench provided. Any local hardware store will have replacements for the M4x10mm bolts and 2.5mm hex wrench. Carefully position the camera into the cooler at a slight angle. Gently push the camera into the cooler while applying forward and downward pressure. Stop if you encounter considerable resistance. The cooler relies on the Insta360 quick release mount for proper indexing when the screen is open, therefore it must be utilized. It is sold separately. Wiggling the camera slightly can aid the install and removal process. Lightly securing the turnbuckles in a direction away from the camera also helps so the buckles don't accidentally rotate into the path of the camera.